Welcome to Kingdom Heights.
And the main question, how much is this going for?
Absolutely. So this home right here in inventory, you're looking somewhere about Francis,
Hi,
how are you?
Nice to meet
Good
you.
to meet you, my friend. Welcome to Kingdom Heights. So this is our premier product right here in Rosenberg.
Okay.
You know, really we're getting into that affordable luxury space where you're not spending $1 million, but you're getting all of the features that you would expect from one. You know, for example, we're doing vent hoods here in the neighborhood, getting a lot of those more premium experiences to the clients here.
Okay.
And you know, we're going from, I would say, 3 bedrooms all the way up to 6 bedrooms. So we've got a wide variety going from about 2,000 square foot all the way up to 3,450.
How many square foot is this?
Yeah, so this one that we're standing in right now is called the El Paso. This one right here is about 3,100 square foot.
Wow.
This is 4 bedrooms. You've got 1 downstairs, the primary, and then you've got 3 upstairs along with a game room. Big kitchen, butler's pantry.
I love this. It's this open kitchen. It's so beautiful. What's here?
Yeah, so this is going to be the primary bedroom down this end.
Ooh, cool.
And like the main focus of the primary bedroom here is just to give them enough space to have really the 2 nightstands, the dresser drawers if they want to have it, seat in the corner, but still plenty of room for that king size bed. You know, most of our clients have been feeling like, hey, the rooms keep getting smaller and smaller, so we want to be able to give them that space. And especially as we go into the bathroom, you'll notice that for sure.
I love this bathroom.
What stands out to you in the bathroom?
I'll say the bath.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's so unique, and it's like standalone, and the view from here, like just that you just want to close this so that your neighbor doesn't. It's so beautiful.
Thank you. Yeah, we've been doing a lot of the standalone tubs. You know, it's an option, and then same thing with the showers. Also going to that next level where instead of just having a handle on this side, you can also opt for a rain shower. So if you want to get that overhead experience and really something that's been withheld from a large majority of homeowners, you're able to get that in this home, and it's still affordable, which is awesome.
We're going to talk about the price in a minute.
Yeah,
but let's go
we'll definitely get
let's
to
go
it.
up and see what's there. Cool.
How's the tour around Houston been so far, around Texas?
It's been amazing. One thing I love about Houston is that the houses have like enough space. I mean, I've been to London, been to other countries, and I know how small the houses can be, but here in Houston, like, there's a lot of space. Can you tell me about this space here?
Yeah. So, you know, really what we've done is we've tried to take a modern approach to a game room. You know, making it not only fun, but also functional. Obviously, whenever we have families that come, the kids need a space to do their homework. So sort of giving the clients an idea of, hey, this doesn't necessarily have to be all about fun, but we can also have function inside of here.
Wow, yeah, true, absolutely. Fun and work.
Yeah. And it still gives that privacy where, you know, if the parents are downstairs having an adult conversation, but they want to have the kids up here able to still enjoy a good time and separate themselves, it gives them that opportunity that they wouldn't otherwise have in a different style home.
Absolutely. What room is this?
So this is really focused on, again, a lot about families. That's really what we've been doing. You know, we're a family-owned company. We have been for a really, really long time, ever since our inception over 65 years ago. So the concept behind this is going into kind of that next generation of home. So we've got a great sized room here. Obviously, again, chair, able to have plenty of room for drawers if you want to have a couple of bookshelves on the side, nightstands, even a king size bed fits here great. The main thing that we've done though is we've changed the order of operations. So we've added a closet. Obviously you need one inside of a bedroom, but we've also done its own self-contained bathroom. So they have their own vanity, their own toilet, and their own shower. So that way they're not having to rely on sharing one with another person in the house. So if you have an older kid, for example, they can have this room and get that privacy that they're asking for.
I'm sure they'll love the privacy. And I think that the last room, we do have 2 here.
Yep. So these are our two, we call Hollywood style, or as it's more commonly known, Jack and Jill. So inside of here, we've got two nice sized rooms. Again, plenty of space, chair in the corner. We can even go up to king size beds in here. Most of the secondaries that we build are fitting for queens, but kings are usually easy to do. Each one of them has their own walk-in closet, and then they share this bathroom.
It has a closet, right?
Yep, yeah, check it out. And they've got a nice amount of space in there. So if they have, you know, the book bags, if they have, for example, you know, football equipment, they can go put that inside there. They got plenty of space.
And this room looks like a room for babies.
Yeah. So obviously we get a lot of families. So over here, we like to have at least the concept of, hey, this is what the nursery could be. But also with that bedroom on that side, they're very comparable in size. They're very close. So showing what it could look like later on in life too, as they're growing up, to make sure that they have the concept of, hey, we have enough space, you know, versus the question mark of what would it look like.
It feels like a transition from baby to adulthood.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
And they've got plenty of room to run around, have fun. And then the bathroom, the way that we've done this is a little bit less conventional. We've tried to go again for more of that function and form.
Okay.
So inside of here, you've got two vanities. Obviously, you can use either one. The main thing to note is that the bathroom itself is going to have its own door. So if one of them is taking a shower, they're able to go inside, use the facilities, and then the other one can be out here washing their hands, getting ready for bed. So it doesn't take away from that time where, hey, I'm using the bathroom, the door's locked.
Absolutely.
So that's kind of what we've gone for here.
And the main question, how much is this going for?
Absolutely. So this home right here in inventory, you're looking somewhere about, I would say, $450,000. Some of them are a little bit more, some of them are around that range. It just depends on the finishes. This is actually classic palette number 5. So if somebody wanted to go on the website, take a look at what it is, that's exactly what we used for this one. But $450,000, and then some of the incentives, because I know you're going to ask me that next.
Yeah.
The incentives that we're doing right now, we're really trying to help clients out with the monthly payment. We've seen that as really one of the big key factors right now, is the affordability of the home.
Yeah.
So we're doing a 2-to-1 buy down. It's permanent. So first year interest rate is 2.99%, second year 3.99%, third year 4.99%, and that'll go through the rest of the loan from years 3 to 30. But we also have a couple that are sort of off market, kind of in the back room. So if someone wants to do an FHA loan, for example, we have rates all the way down to 4.25%, fixed for 30 years. And then we also have conventional rates. Those usually, I would say, go between about a 4.625 if they're putting down 10% or more, up to maybe about a 4.75, 4.875.
And what will be the down payment? How many percent?
Yeah, so if they're going to do FHA, they're going to be looking about 3.5%. So if
for
you're looking,
down payment?
Yeah, for down payment. So if you're looking at a house, you know, about 500,000, you do 3.5% of that. It's a little over 17,000 that they're going to be putting down. Again, if it's lower than that, it'll be a hair lower. And then if they need closing costs too, sometimes we can help out with that. It just depends on, again, what kind of rate we're giving them, and if we can make it work for both parties, it's a win-win for everybody. What stood out to you about this home?
First of all, I would say the parlor. I love that view there, where you can see like the light coming in, right? And then there's the second room that's here. I just love like seeing greenery around me. So I see like there are a lot of big windows around, right? Yeah. And yeah, of course, this dining area. I know that some of the homes that I've seen, you don't see this dining that is as big as this, because it's usually around, you just have that and that's it. I think that second one, it's really cool. It stands out to me. And yeah, this high ceiling here in the main area, like really, really cool. And of course, it has enough space at the back. I can see it from here. Yeah, and I mean, you can play football with your kids, do a lot of outdoor games there, right? So
yeah, and we have a lot of neighborhood amenities too. You know, obviously this is one of our largest home sites here, but we have a neighborhood pool that everybody can go to. We have a fitness center, we have a kids playground, we have a lot of green spaces, a lot of walking trails. We also cut the grass around all of our lakes here, where if clients want to go out there and they want to walk, we even have some homes that sit on that water. So if they want to just open up their gate and go walking, they can go ahead and do that.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's always great to see you.
Yeah,
I appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
It was
Thank
nice
you.
to meet you. We'll look
Nice
forward to
meet
seeing you again real soon.
We'll come and get another one, right?
Sounds great. Y'all have a great day.
Yeah.